Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crystal and I am back with another video. So in today's video, your girl is going to be basically doing a makeup tutorial. I have somewhere I have to be, so I figured this would be the perfect time for me to do my makeup on camera since, you know, I've been lacking on the makeup tutorials. And I also have a foundation and a concealer that I'm trying for the first time, and these two products are not new, it's just new to me. I've always wanted to try them, so I finally bought them and they came in the mail, so your girl is super excited to try them out. I'm always a little skeptical about foundation, buying them online, because most of the time back in the day I used to always get my shade wrong, but hopefully your girl has gotten better over the years and this matches me. Otherwise I will have to go through the whole process of exchanging, and you guys know how annoying that could be. But let me stop rambling. Before we get into the video, make sure you click that subscribe button if you're not subscribed to your girl's channel as yet. If you're new to my channel, my name is Crystal and I do a bunch of different videos: beauty, lifestyle, vlogging, reviews, all that good stuff. So if you're interested in that content, then I would highly suggest that you keep watching and make sure you subscribe. Also, if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. It lets your girl know that you like the video, and that way I can do more content like this. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Okay guys, so I ordered a foundation and a concealer from TooFaced. I don't really have a lot of products from this brand. It came all cutely wrapped up with all this pink paper, and basically it came with the two products I ordered and two samples. Okay, so your girl ordered the TooFaced Born This Way Undetectable Super Long Wear Foundation. This is supposed to be 24-hour wear. It's oil-free, oil-controlling, waterproof, and transfer resistant. Everything I need in my life, okay? Especially now that summer is coming in a few months. We need all of this to make sure our makeup stays. And then I also ordered the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This is an also popular one. A lot of people swear by this concealer, but let me just take them out the box so you guys can see. So I went with the shade Butter Pecan for the foundation. So this is how it looks. It's a really cute frosty type bottle with a cap. It's a pump, I'm assuming. Okay, it's a pump. Best way you can have a foundation. And then the concealer, I went with the shade Warm Sand, and this is the concealer. Same type of frosty bottle, and this is actually a twist off. Wow. And this one has an actual wand. This is what the wand looks like. So baby's sleeping, so your girl's trying to record this video really quickly before I have to leave. I already did my eyebrows and I put a little bit of concealer, but this is not this concealer, it's a different concealer. I wanted to leave this concealer specifically for my under eye. So we're not gonna waste any time, we're gonna get right in. Your girl's gonna do a quick little eyeshadow look, something very neutral, then we're gonna get right into these goodies. Alright, so I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina palette. I'm just gonna go with ginger, which is usually just like a base that I use. I'm gonna be using the mirror on my product, so try to keep it down so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna blend that all over my lid, cover all that concealer up. There we go. So I know you guys have been like really missing the tutorials. Listen, it's just been hard. It's been really hard to sit down and do tutorials with a newborn baby, because right now he's at a phase where his naps are like, I call them cat naps. He sleeps for like 20 minutes at a time. which in a way I kind of prefer when he doesn't sleep at all, because that means he sleeps at night. Because right now he's been up at night a few times because he's teething, so it's not as easy as before, guys. Your girl, usually at the end of the day, I am so exhausted, but yeah, I think this will be like our new way of getting makeup done. Plus I like to change the scenery, you know, it makes things nice. All right, so we have that on. I'm thinking just to darken it a bit with some brown, so I'm gonna put some brown right here in the corner, and then I'm just gonna blend that inward. Like so. Do the same thing for the other side. Oh, why is my eye watering? By the way, guys, I did prep my face. I know I forgot to mention that, but I did do my primer and everything else. All right. I don't know why my eye is watering right now. All right, and right in the middle of my crease, I'm gonna go in with Dollars. It's like this gold type eyeshadow color. I'm gonna put that right in the middle. Then I'll blend everything out. Okay, so I'm gonna go back with my brush. Gonna make sure there's no harsh lines. Okay, and then I'm just gonna apply a little bit more, and then we're gonna do that again. Okay. And that's it for the eye. So I did my eyeliner and my mascara off camera. So we're gonna get into the foundation right now. Okay, so I'm gonna do a few pumps on my face. This is the first time I'm actually trying the foundation at all. So hopefully it matches your girl. I'm hoping it's not too dark. It's looking okay to me right now, but let's see. Let's just keep going.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay, so this is my face with no foundation, and this is with the foundation. Looks like your girl did a good job. It actually does look like my shade. Let's do this side. I think I'll be able to tell when I can see the full end result.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Wow. This is actually really good coverage. Oh yeah, I did a really good job. That looks about right. So the foundation was really good going on. It had sort of like a stiffness to it, like it wasn't as liquidy, but still my face feels super, like, I don't know, I don't want to say matte because it's not matte. It just feels super comfortable, almost like the foundation just went on like a powder. It's weird, but that's the only way I know how to describe it, but I'm loving the coverage. The coverage looks really good, and it looks like your girl did good matching herself actually. So let's get into the concealer. I'm just gonna do some concealer right here, and at the end, same thing here, and at the end. And I'm gonna use one of my sponges to blend this out.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So that's with both sides of the concealer on. I will say one thing, this concealer, it dries very quickly, so you really have to move pretty fast. So let me put my translucent powder on top, and then I'll continue my face. So I still see a little bit of my darkness from under my eye, but I'm just gonna give it some time just to like seep in there. I'm gonna continue the rest of my face off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and tell you guys what I really think of the foundation and the concealer. Okay guys, so your girl has finished her entire face. I really wanted to do lashes, but I don't know, I just been like taking a break from lashes lately. But this is how my face looks after I put my blush and all of that other stuff on there. I am gonna say it looks really flawless. Like even the eye part, it kind of like settled in after a couple of minutes and all of that, so it looks really good. My forehead's like breaking out right here. It looks ridiculous, but yeah, I'm breaking out. I don't know from what, but overall, if you look at my face, the foundation, it really like applied really nicely. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my lip yet, but I'll figure it out in a second. But overall, your girl, all I gotta say is I love the foundation, I love the concealer. It's really good. Now I see why so many people were into this concealer. Like I wanted to buy this for a while now, but you know, when you get into just using certain products you like and you know that works, sometimes I just don't want to go into like trying this and trying this out, because then you don't know how it's going to be with your skin. So hopefully that this foundation, this concealer is good to me and I don't have any issues skin wise. But I really like it. I'm even more happy that I picked the right shades, like the concealer and the foundation both look really good with my complexion, and they kind of blend in with my neck and everything else. So your girl is happy because I have to leave in the next like half an hour, and this would have been really chaotic if this foundation didn't happen to match or was too red or any like underlying issues. So I'm really happy that it looks this good. I threw on my wig, threw on my hat, and now I'm putting on my jewelry and everything, and your girl's gonna get ready for her to leave. But yeah guys, so this is the final look. This is how it came out. Even the eye was super simple, but I don't know. The next makeup tutorial I have, I'm gonna do glam for you guys. I'm gonna do lashes, I'm gonna do everything. I'm gonna do it up, so stay tuned for that. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and had a little bit of fun, you know, playing with makeup with your girl. As always, if If you haven't subscribed, then definitely hit that subscribe button. Give today a thumbs up. Leave your girl a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you thought of the foundation and the concealer. If it's something you've tried, something maybe you're planning to try now based on how it applied and everything else like that. And if there's any products you want your girl to try, then leave a comment down below. Let me know and I will look into that. But as always, I want to thank you guys so much for watching your girl's video. But again, thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.